school that's being built, it's a state-of-the-art facility built by the city of Richmond, and it replaces an old building that was built in 1953. And it's really good to see the benefit the kids will be getting from it going forward. You get to take something from the ground and bring it all the way through with your input and influence, and in the end you come up with a project that represents your efforts to build a building. Personally, this is a chance to get out and work in the community and develop a new project and make an impact in the area.